let's make it! Emoji pizza bagels. Welcome to Let's Make channel. I'm with my grandma today. Today we'll be making emoji pizza bagels. So our surprise today is a nose cheese. You know why we call it nose cheese? Because the red part inside, that's the wrapping, we put it on our nose, right?
I don't know. I have to watch and see.
And some dough, and some bagels, some plain bagels, and some mozzarella cheese, and some broccoli stalks, and some basil leaves, and what is this?
Chives.
And some chives to cut out however we want, and some green peppers, and some black olives, and some open nose cheese, and some tomatoes, and some pepperoni cut into hearts, and some red peppers, and some guacamole, and some pizza sauce. Should we open our nose cheese?
I think you're just dying to open that nose cheese. You better hurry up and show them how that works.
Grandma,
So we need these baby bell cheeses. This is the secret of nose cheese. So I'm told, I haven't really got to watch this from the start. So you pull the strip, huh?
Yep.
Yeah. This looks pretty simple. Everybody could do this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very easy.
Good. Can I have one? There seems to be two halves there.
Can you help me?
Yeah.
The half, I got this one.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
How are we doing?
My nose! Let's put our nose is aside with our nose cheese.
Okay, put those aside.
Now what are we
Pretty
gonna
good
do?
Ears too.
Yeah.
How about eyebrows? Lips. You can do a lot with baby bell wrappers. That's really good. So if we're gonna make pizzas, I think the first thing we do is put sauce on.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, let's put some sauce.
Get one. Who do you want to start? Which bagel? You want to start with that one? Okie doke. Okay, pizza sauce. We need some pizza sauce.
Do you want some cheese on your pizza?
What, of course.
What?
Do you know they make pizzas with white sauce? Yeah, that's kind of cool. You put different toppings on when you do that. You ever had an artichoke pizza?
No.
You ever had a chicken pizza?
No.
There's a place in Mexico called Chichen Itza. Sometimes we say chicken pizza.
Chicken itza.
Chichen Itza.
Whoa, we need a lot of cheese, Grandma.
All right.
Great.
Great.
Take a little bit off. For me.
Got some bald places here, babe. See those? I like how they go from the table to the pizza. Okay. So we need some eyes, right?
A green pepper for the closed eye.
That looks good. Hi, kids.
Hi.
And I have an idea.
A nose.
You got the same idea. A nose cheese and an olive. Wow, what a great eye.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's so funny.
Ow.
And a big old tongue. That looks really good.
Put him on the cold
Go show the kids.
Wow.
Can you tip her up? Tip him up? There. That's a good one.
Let's put him on the tray. Now we're gonna do a really funny throw up one.
There's emojis of throw up. Isn't that the silliest thing in the world?
Yeah, so
There's
what
emojis for everything. Can you imagine talking to your friend and you're typing away and saying, I'm not feeling too good today, and you push the button and you have the picture of bleh, Your friend would know just how you feel. Okay, let's start by dipping all the little bits of mozzarella in the pizza sauce.
I just really like it.
Is that how you start? What about starting with smearing some pizza sauce? Smear that pizza sauce.
Are we gonna do the throwy-uppy one now?
Sure.
Okay. Berries, I'm spearing some sauce. I'm spearing some sauce. I'm smearing some sauce on my pizza bagel. Pizza bagel. I'm pouring my sauce on a pizza bagel and rub it in wide and wide and round and round.
And, of course, we need some cheese. Lots of cheese.
Now, you know what I remember about that emoji?
What?
The
Guacamole?
well, yeah, but the eyes are going like scrunch shut. Remember? So we could do that cutting with this.
Then what do we do?
Well, the eyes, let me think about this. Watch those scissors by my head, lovey. Sheesh, oh, Pete. What if we do eyes that look like this? This way and this way. Like, ew, I got a tummy ache.
Yeah.
Okay, you do the other one. In between eating. It's very edible business we got going here, isn't it? What should we make with a nose?
I'm gonna eat this one.
Okay. How about a piece of green pepper for a nose?
No green pepper. I think.
Oh, that's just because you like red pepper better. That's good. I like that nose. We ready for the throw up?
Yeah.
Go for it. You.
Okay, fine. Go.
All right, that is amazing. There, that is unbelievable. I
throwy-uppy.
know. We're gonna have to put this over here.
Do you like guacamole?
Of course.
I don't.
You poor thing, you're missing out on guacamole.
I don't like
It's one
guacamole.
of the treats of life. Man, that is some chunky, you know what.
Okay, I think we need a pan. The puke one looks like real poop. Puke. Puke, I mean. The puke. I said poop instead of puke.
I know. So now, what do you want to make now?
I think now we should make the smiley face love one.
Oh, the hearts, the eyes hearts?
Yeah.
I know what you mean.
I see something funny. Wait a minute. Hold on. Put that back in. I know what you're thinking about. Hello, Penelope. No, I thought you were going to stick them together. No, I was making eyes. Bagel eyes. She's got Betty Bagel eyes. She got big bagel eyes. She got big bagel eyes. She got Betty Bagel eyes. Speaking about this Betty Bagel eyes, do you know that that's a real song called Betty Davis Eyes? Betty Davis was an actress in Hollywood, and Betty Davis had really big eyes. And I had a horse. And guess what? What? She had really big eyes. So guess what I named her? What? Betty Davis. She was so cute. That was my horse's name, Betty Davis. Cool. Yes, she was black. She was beautiful.
Done.
Okay, so then we need heart eyes. I love it.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Love it.
Can we not put any of those on?
What are you afraid of? Chives?
I don't want to eat it.
Oh no, we could pick off anything.
I don't want to eat
I'm a good picker-offer.
I'm not going to eat the olives.
So what are we making now? What paste? How about a pepper mouth?
I think we're looking for Like that. And then
Maybe an open mouth, like that's the bottom of it.
that was funny. It looked just like it.
Let's show the kids. Hold on. Da da da. Pretty good.
Now you.
Okay.
Now let's put them in the oven and see how they look.
How hot do you think the oven should be? Maybe like
40?
40. Maybe 400?
No!
Actually, yeah. 400 for just a few minutes and it'll be all melty and hot.
Ah,
Yeah. And you have to watch them. You have to kind of peek through the window of the oven so you can see if the cheese is melty and bubbly. That's how you know they're done.
yeah, I think it's gonna be a little while.
You might need a grown-up to help you do the baking part, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you need a grown-up for the eating part?
No.
That's what I was afraid of.
We'll be right back. We're gonna go cook them. Come on.
Okay.
So our pizza bagels are ready and it's time to do the taste test.
Should we go around and say what their face was about before we eat them?
Yeah, so this one was the hard eye one. And this one was the tongue sticking out one. This one was the brain explosion one. This one was the kissy face one, and that one was the throw up one. Grandma, do you think it's time for the taste test now?
I hope so.
Okay, I'm gonna eat.
You've had your eye on that one for a whole long time, girlfriend.
Mmm,
Think it's good?
yeah.
Mmm. And you're not a fan of guacamole, right?
No.
So you want me to eat the barfy guacamole?
Yeah.
I am happy to try it. Oh, some of my barf fell off.
That's okay. That's guacamole.
Mmm. I think it's delicious. I would never think of putting guacamole on a pizza. Mmm. You got pepperoni hearts. Mmm. What? Slurp. Want a napkin?
You can make emoji pizza bagels at your house. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe to us on your channel. Bye, and give us a thumbs up.
Bye.
Grandma.